adds a lot of different elements to the song and also produces great impact on the audience and the judges. And well, girl, I love your performance. Your presence was great, just overwhelming. It's really a good performance.
Okay. Tony. Tony. Wow. Ang galing. Nakuha mo yung wala akong masabi talaga. Yung karakter mo, ang galing. Nakuha mo yung karakter. Parang yung ba, parang yung lubi eh. Yung lubi mo, yung high notes, nakuha mo talaga. Astig. Pero, mas, bigyan mo pa yung character. Okay. More character pa. So, next time, buhos mo na. Yun lang. Wow, wala akong masabi na boses mo. Amazing. Thank you. Wala akong masabi pag dami na sinabi. Okay, Tony. In terms of yung appeal mo on stage is maganda. Okay, so yung register mo, maganda. Good choice of the attire. Kasi you're a bit complicated, so dapat you need darker shades para you yes. Okay. So, vlogging yun? Vlogging? Okay, vlogging. Okay. So, because it needs na you look slender on stage para sa mga mata, yung physical ng tao, hindi sila mapagay sa structure. Okay. So, you got a good face. So, nice choice of song. Ang kailangan ng mong exercise yung sa creativity. So, kasi ma-affected, yun nga, sabi ni Francis, the tone is there, the texture is good, but yun, affected siya sa breathing. Kasi diba, foundation ng scene is breathing. So, improve lang on the breathing. So, parang yung, kasi maganda yung ginagawa ko kanina, yung pinutuloy ko yung last notes. But yun nga, parang sagad na siya eh.